Hi you guys, welcome to Sam's Beauty, where God's Beauty and Sam's Beauty are one of the same. It's a great day and I love being on here with you guys. And today I'm kind of excited. I'm going to do one of my bold colors. Blue, as you can see, I prepped for it. And it's going to be a creepy experience. I haven't done bold colors in so long. I'm excited and it's like mixed feelings, you know, but let's do it. All right. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, you guys, and click the bell icon button to be notified whenever a video becomes available. Without further ado, let's get into the video. And I'm going to start off by moisturizing my face with the Neutrogena Hydra Boost. Okay, wow, it feels like water on my face every time I put. How they get it to stay this cool? And it's not like menthol cool, it's just water cool. How did it? It's like they just store water in the cream. This will always be my go-to. I love it. Wow, it feels like water on my face. Dry water, it's kind of weird. Okay, and now I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Matte Face Primer. It's hard to get this out of the tube without it running all the way out. Okay, let's see. And I know a lot of people do their T-zones. I do everywhere. It says prime face, it didn't say prime T-zones. You know what I'm saying? Don't be getting technical. Okay. Wow. I'm so scared-ish.
You serious?
I'm going to just go out there and just... okay. All right. I'm going to use my Madame Poreless Maybelline. Oof. I hate when it doesn't have an applicator. Ugh. Face makeup. It's too much. Too much. I think, yeah. And I can't put it back in the lid, so I just have to wipe it off. And the Beauty Blender is so soaked. I go up. Okay, and it's a Wet n Wild Incognito. Brush it in. this Makeup Revolution Integrity palette. That's what it looks like. I just opened it, you guys. I know there, I just messed up, but I'm gonna use it anyway. And most of it are like shimmers, so I'm just gonna put some powder, even off everything. Do I do a transition color? There's not even like a lot of color. There's all bright, like, and they're all shimmery. Wow, this is so bright. Go in, just go bold or go home. This is so pigment. It's beautiful. Blue is my favorite color. Wow, this is gorgeous. Wow. And it leaks. It's leaking. Stop the leak. Now I'm going to soften up around the edges. Bring around the edges. They're all metallic. I need to blend it with a neutral color. Let's bring it up. Alrighty, wow, this is I'm gonna add my Incognito concealer. I'm going to go in with my Laura Mercier translucent powder, brine it up some more. And now the Mega Glow contour palette. Just put a little bit right here and around my face, my ears, so you want everything to be seamless. I'm gonna go in with a little blush. And then some of maybe the dark blue from this palette under my eyes. Is it dark enough? Yeah. Just to smoke it out a little bit. Spray my face. That's what I'm gonna do, spray my face. And it's the Pearl Essence Coconut Rose. Okay. Oof. And this is from the Elo Elo palette. Obviously this one. Beautiful. Same one. Wow. The other one, not this side. Up here. That's this is a thing now, you guys. I'm just thinking that I should just go with a matte, like just a nude lipstick, because the eyes is just so bold. But also, like, I haven't used this in forever. I don't remember even how it is, but it's a blue lipstick. And you know what? I'm gonna go for it. I ain't losing nothing. You know what I'm saying? Go bold or go home. So I'll put it on, see how it looks. If I don't like it, then I take it off. Okay? Woo! Okay. All right, ready? All right, let's see. Wow. Wow. Let me stop. Wow. This is crack-a-lackin'. Wow. It's teal. That is too much. This is like when would I wear this?
Are you serious?
For real? Look, when would I wear this? Like, if not with a blue look, but then again it has like a teal look, which is of like an into green, you know? That's a lot, right?
Are you stupid or something?
Wow, I'm speechless. I don't let me take it off. I'm not fit. You know, it's either the lips are bold or the eyes are bold. You know what I'm saying?
Are you serious?
Wow. Or just, you know, have like a little accent, like lip back a little like this. And it's a lip gloss. It's so pigmented. It's not funny. It's not. Okay, what am I gonna put on with it now? Okay, let me see. Okay, I can do this. Yeah, there's an inter blue, a little baby blue look. Okay, a gloss look. Okay, I can dig it. Love it. Love it. All right, and I'm gonna finish it off with a Hard Candy mascara. All right. spruce up the hair. What do you guys think?
I want some bracelets and everything.
I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Love it. It's beautiful. Look at the blue look. Wow. Wow. Love it. If you guys love it as much as I do, comment down below. And this is coming from the Makeup Revolution Integrity Palette. And these are the colors. It's so bright. I use this blue and this color. Gorgeous. Like, wow. I haven't done bold bright color like this forever. Yes, yes, yes. Fave. Let me tap myself. Fave. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Good. Woohoo. That's it for today, you guys. Beautiful. I feel like I'm having. Let me stop. I'm not even gonna say it. I didn't say nothing. Wow. Okay. And now it's time for Psalms Bible Corner. Taken from Psalms 6 verses 2 and 3. Have mercy upon me, O Lord, for I am weak. O Lord, heal me, for my bones are vexed. My soul is also sore vexed. But thou, O Lord, how long? This is the word of the Lord. Thanks be to God. Thank you guys for joining me. Thank you so much. Subscribe, share, tell your auntie, your uncle, your cousin, Uncle John, the guy down the street, cousin Pauline, all of them, all the family.
Are you serious?
Join the fam. Subscribe down below, you guys, and smash the bell icon button to be notified when a video is uploaded. Until next time, thanks for joining me on Psalms Beauty, where God's beauty and Psalms Beauty are one of the same. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.